Hello everyone, my name is Varian Harris, and today I will be presenting my Week 14 coding assignment. Continuing on with our pet store application, this week we actually create a pet store, modify that pet store, and correct the response status with a global error handler. First, I created the classes pet store data, pet store customer, and pet store employee in the package pet store controller model, filling in the necessary fields from the corresponding entity classes, also adding annotations where needed. Second, I added both the pet store customer and pet store employee classes as inner classes, adding the correct constructors for each corresponding object. Next, I created the data layer interface named Pet Store DAO that extends JPA repository. Then, I created the service class with all of the necessary methods. One to save the pet store, one to copy and set the pet store fields, one to find/create a pet store, and the last one to find a pet store via its ID. After this, I created the pet store controller class containing the appropriate class level annotations. Then we mapped our HTTP post request calling our save method. Let's go ahead and test this using our advanced REST client, sending a post request with pet store data to the application. Go ahead and run the application. Hop over to our advanced REST client. These are correct. And as you can see, our information has been populated. So we can go to dbeaver now to check and make sure that everything moved over smoothly. And as you see, here it is, populated. Next, I modified the pet store object that was added, sending an HTTP put request to the running application. Here's our put mapping. And if we hop back over here and say we want to change some of our information, change that to 3, and we'll change this to 9, 0, 0. Keep it a little bit simple. We'll also change the name to Super Pets. Here, change it to put. Oh, actually, yeah, leave that as put. Run this. Oh, I may have put the wrong thing in here. Because we forgot our number. Change 4. And there we go. Now we've updated our information. Go back to dbeaver. Let's refresh this. And as you can see, just changed. Super Pets. So I concluded this week's assignment by writing my global error handler to provide the client with enough information to make an informed decision as to what action to take. So instead of a 500 internal server error status being returned, we return a 404 not found status in order to display an error message. So if we were to enter in Say we'll just enter in 6. Now we get our error message. Pet store with ID 6 not found. This concludes my week 14 coding assignment presentation. I hope you enjoyed thus far. Thank you. Have a good one.